ready to go. We've got the camera bag here. Packed a few essentials. We're about to get the Jeep ready. It's going to be a good day, Cheerio.
Wow, that was really good.
I know.
There, doing a test of my little GoPro on my backpack. This is how it's going to be at the Jeep show. Just like this. Not too bad, not too heavy. Alright, let's rock and roll. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Chemical guys, tire shine. I mean, it lasts way longer than those big aerosol ones. I use this all the time and it lasts forever. I mean, I spray this and it'll be shiny for probably 2.5 to 3 weeks. Yeah, this stuff is awesome. Worth every penny. Say hi. Got our cooler. I got my toolbox so we can lock some stuff in there. It's absolutely beautiful out, and we are going to have a good day.
This one's super cool.
flathead. Yeah, this actually, the rear axle I got was that put it in.
Yeah, no, I was excited when I saw you guys pull up in your, brain fart now that I'm on camera.
Yeah, I know.
Jurassic Park Jeep, because they had a miniature one over at the shops around the corner.
Hell yeah.
Super cool when I saw the big one pull in the driveway hours later.
What's your Jeep?
Mine is
Way down there?
somewhere.
Yeah, no, you're losing them.
I'm in a white 4xe.
Okay. Oh, you got the new one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. How do you like it? Yeah.
Um,
Smooth, right? They're smooth.
Yeah.
the new one, absolutely.
They're very smooth. I test drove, about 4 or 5 years ago. And sorry.
No, you're
No,
good.
you're good.
We
Yeah.
chatted already, but this is my baby girl.
Now, it's my first Wrangler. I've always wanted one, but I'm not sure if you're aware, they're a little pricey.
Yeah.
So, we went and test drove it, and with the incentives, this one was only like 20 bucks a month more.
Okay.
I think it's a really smooth ride, and the fact that I can get 40 miles a gallon,
There you go.
as long as I
Yeah,
can do
especially
local
for a Jeep.
driving. Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah. No, they're expensive, but
But
it's
fun.
crazy though, because the YJs, they were $8.99 for, you could get a 4-cylinder, YJ back in the day.
See,
I mean-
mine's a 4 with a turbo, and it'll put you in the seat
Oh yeah.
when it hits.
Yep.
It's fun.
But like if you got the Sahara like ours, that one was about 14,000.
That
Yeah.
was a Sarah.
Yep.
Sorry, it's just so funny to think about the size difference.
Oh yeah.
But that's with anything. Any vehicle. You look at the old.
Oh no, they're big. She has a Gladiator, and that thing's like twice the size of the Jeep. It's like holy crap.
Yeah, I got a white 4x. It's my first Wrangler ever, and I don't think I'll be able to have anything other than a Wrangler.
Yeah. But it's a lot of fun. Oh yeah. What'd you find?
So cute. Leah would love it.
I got another taste
Look at that swan.
Oh my god. Really does look like a snail. We're taking a little bit of a break. Got some chips, some beer. How are you feeling? Are you hot? It's pretty spicy out here. Gonna have that in this heat?
Yeah, it's cold. It came from the cooler.
Hey, cheers. We got ducked. You ready to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Alright. And that's it for the Jeep show, but we're gonna go to the beach and enjoy the rest of the day.
Go shoot our feet.
Yeah, mine are pure white from socks. We're not topless, but we are shirtless. And it was fun at the Jeep. Jeep's at the beach. And now we're ready to go home and see our dogs.
If you ask me, did I have a good time? I'm just gonna say, yeah, had a good time. You saw me have a good time.
I love Jeeps. And I can't wait to get a bunch more.
That's another thing. I feel like they're like totally, everything is so customized. Like for each person, you can instantly tell like someone's vibe or what they're into, what they like, because they kind of like model their Jeep around that feeling. Like you love Jurassic Park. I was a super huge Barbie fan. I mean, even with my newer vehicle, like I wanna bring my own kind of flair to it and element, and Jeeps are just easy to add those customizations too. So it makes it fun.
And did you love the Jeep show?
Yeah, I did.
And you want to go next year?
Yep, I'm sure
Okay,
that
high five.
I'm sure that we'll go every year.
And we're gonna go to, what's the next one coming up? Sullivan Beach?
Jeeps at the beach, Sullivan Beach. August.
August. First Sunday in August, I believe. And maybe we'll do a video about that.
We'll find out the date and be there.